Good wishes, friend. In today's discussion, that is technical discussion 4, I will be explaining about my invention, as well as patented aluminium melting technology. Three top producer of China, they produces more than what our country as a whole produces aluminium per annum. So friends, this patent is very important, and in coming days it will become a lifeline for aluminium producer. With my present patent, induction melting will facilitate aluminium production through various commercial scrap, and it will be possible to produce LM2, LM4, LM6, LM9, LM21, LM22, LM25, LM27. Moreover, ALSI 132, which is the most dear element for automobile manufacturer, or equivalent ADC 12, this will also be possible and very economical. Other than this, ADC 10, ADC 12, AC2A, AC2B, AC3A, AC4A, AC4B, AC4C, AC7A grades, and various other grades as per international standard are possible through induction melting. Even producing aluminium grades up to 0.2% Fe content is also possible, which will be useful for aluminium conductor. What are the salient features other than what I described all the grades? Through induction melting, better recovery, lesser formation of dross, lesser generation of other disposal is possible. And apart from this, homogeneous scrap to heterogeneous scrap, different high temperature alloying element like manganese, titanium, copper, silicon, boron can be melted very safely and efficiently. Even low melting point additives or exothermic reaction additives can also be safely added. For alloy production of manganese, titanium, copper, silicon, even silicon alloy up to 65% silicon content can be produced through induction technology. Various patent has been filed by me on different subject. And apart from this, very stable refractive behavior and induction furnace refractive life can be achieved beyond 3 years or even up to 7 years life. The main concern for today's aluminium industry is metallization, metallic yield, dross formation, and quantity of disposal. With present invention, metallization increases, dross formation decreases, and other disposal also decreases. Power consumption for smallest furnace as small as 75 kg batch size, power consumption will be somewhere 750 units per metric ton of sellable product to 520 units per metric ton of a furnace capacity 6 ton. Even with present technology, it is possible to commission 20 metric ton aluminium melting furnace. 20 metric ton aluminium equivalent melting furnaces. With present invention, even 25% dross, secondary dross, can be melted very safely. As far as primary dross is concerned, this percentage, this addition of primary dross in melting process up to 65% or higher is also possible. In coming future, this melting technology will be highly appreciated as far as alloy manufacturers are concerned, as far as pressure die casters are concerned. Because with this technology, 75 kg per hour liquid transfer to as high as 20,000 kg per hour is also possible. This is the field where with lesser space, with design efficiency, our country can compete with China, and twofold to fivefold addition of capacity in a span of next 10 years is possible, because these furnaces require less space, they require less workforce, they require less working capital, and they are highly efficient. Highly efficient in the sense these furnaces are better suitable for intermittent operation, for example 8 hours per day to continuous running for months or multiplication of months, right? So friends, this technology is available and multiple patents has been filed on this subject by me, which encompasses complete melting process of aluminium through induction furnace, melting practices for dross, then refractory, lining refractory, life extending up to 6 years or beyond. And with this late additions of high temperature melting point, volatile matter, degassing, grain refinement, grain modification, every metallurgical aspect is possible. Other salient feature of this process is, because these are batch furnaces and they require minimum auxiliary equipment which are mandatory for scanner furnace, that is reverberatory furnace, or your rotary furnaces. And with this, even it is possible to adopt 75 kg batch size aluminium melting furnaces, which occupies hardly 4 meter by 4 meter space. Right. So friends, do share this important invention with your near and dear, because in coming times this will be the technology where our country will be competing with China in a big way. The level of development of economy worldwide is measured by the specific production of aluminium, and in coming era, aluminium is the metal of this century. Thank you. Thank you very much.